Hello, how are you today?
I'm very well, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Jackie.
How do you spell that?
Jackie.
And what's your surname?
My surname is Flowers.
How do you spell that?
Flowers.
Where are you from?
I'm from the south of England.
Where do you live?
At the moment, I live in Liverpool.
When's your birthday?
My birthday is the 1st of December.
How old are you?
I'm 45 years old.
What do you work as?
I work in a library and I am a librarian.
What did you study at university?
I studied English literature.
What was your favourite subject at school?
My favourite subject was English because I love reading and writing.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
And how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I haven't got any brothers or sisters.
If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.